Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and it is cleaning day, and I'm excited. I get to finally try out Karl Gamba's interior scrub mitt. He's been blasting videos all over the different detailing groups, and I obviously am intrigued. I use the VLR brush a lot for cleaning leather interiors on my vehicles. This is the same kind of material that you're going to find on the VLR brush, but obviously in a much larger square area, so you're going to have a lot more scrubbability. You can do seats, you can do, entire dashes, you can do a lot of interior cleaning with this, steering wheels, etc. But one of the main reasons I was actually really excited to try this out on is my linoleum floors. We have a smaller house, but we do have, here's the floor plan. This is our kitchen. We have an eating kitchen. This is kind of the main area where we come into the house, and we get a lot of foot traffic, and my son plays soccer. My daughter, while I'm detailing, is constantly just going in and out the back door. So especially kind of along this path, we have a shoebox, but along this path we get a lot of dirt and debris. I don't know if any of you have linoleum floors. They're very durable, but the thing that I hate most about them is, like you can see here in the texture, and I scrub these probably once a week, sometimes maybe once every two if I'm super busy, but I do scrub them. I've actually taken a magic razor to these floors. I use a steamer, I use Mr. Clean, I use microfibers. I'm scrubbing these floors constantly, and I just feel like they're never really clean. Sometimes my kids will spill stuff, and I'll grab like either a paper towel or a quick rag, and I'll kind of go over the area to clean it up. And take a look at that. You can see my fingerprints where the dirt is. That's just like two little squares, and we've got the whole kitchen. And there are just times that I'm so grossed out by my floors. I hate walking barefoot. See, you can see my fingerprints. So we've got a clean, yes, I'm lazy. I use my kitchen sink to scrub my floors, just because I'm too lazy to go downstairs and get a bucket. And hey, it works because I'm going to clean my sink anyways afterwards. So, we clean our food in it. What's the difference? So, stop judging me. Stop it. I can hear you. So I've got two. These are my old interior microfiber towels. I already did my half bath floor with this to test it out. One, my water was filthy afterwards. And I actually took the white microfiber and did the floor afterwards, kind of like a white glove test, and it was clean afterwards. So thoroughly impressed with how effective, but I want to see how well it does in getting in between all of the texture and the dirt that's in the texture, and then we'll kind of go behind with the white microfiber and see just how good of a deep clean it can do. So let me get all this squeezed out and we'll start scrubbing. Alright, so this is right in front of the shoebox. My kids sit down, put their shoes on and off. It gets really dirty. I know I'm kind of doing more work for myself by not having a bucket and going back and forth, but what I've essentially doing, and let's take a look, you can see, we come in close. Again, this is linoleum floors. It doesn't need to be rocket science. I just want to show you guys. I'm just going to do one quick area here. This doesn't need to be a long video. So I'm kind of going over the floor just to get big dirt. Obviously, you can see we still have all that dirt still in the texture. Just gonna take this, look at that. Let's see if we can find. Alright, there's one right there. It's getting in all of that texture. A little bit of scrubbing, but you have to scrub your floors anyways. This is the worst area in my kitchen. Again, my kids. It's always my kids. I love them to death, but they are messy little people. And you might be thinking, this is a lot of scrubbing, but this is really how much scrubbing I do every time I do my floors. And they're still this dirty. Alright, scrub it, still intact. We're just gonna kind of take my microfiber, go over, and just scoop it up. Let's see how well of a job it did. Do we see any dirt still in the texture? To the naked eye, looks good. Let's do our white microfiber test. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we rinsed it out. Alright, so we did this area right here. Boom. That's good, guys. So, again, this doesn't need to be a very long video. What I love about this, especially like, let's say these areas right here, where I will use like a Rubbermaid microfiber mop sometimes, and it doesn't do a very good job of getting like end to end. I'm just gonna put a little bit of moisture right here. You can see, still got all that dirt. If I take this, because it's end to end, all that is gone. It's awesome. And I mean, I went over that with the microfiber. So the microfiber didn't even get into all those grooves. So for any of you who are wanting to have just a little bit of extra cleaning power for your interiors on your car, maybe you have leather, or if you have linoleum floors, hardwood floors, even tile floors, this would be a fantastic scrubbing mitt for you guys to use. I'm going to try to put the link down below for this scrubbing mitt. And Karl, if you want to, you know, prepare some information or something like that for people to see, because I know you can necessarily buy in bulk, you can be a distributor, or you can just buy it for your own personal use. So I'm impressed. I'm going to be buying more. In fact, Karl, I'm going to be needing some for Christmas presents, because I think my mother-in-law, my mother, my sister, my sister-in-law, yeah, we could all use it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Karl, fantastic product. What I love, small business, this man manufactured all of these individually. So as detailers, I love supporting someone who is just an entrepreneur and just getting out there hustling and trying to support his family, putting out a great product, very durable. You can see I've had this soaking in Mr. Clean. None of it like adhesive is coming undone. Fits my hand really great. I could even probably come along, use the back of the microfiber to scoop things up, but because I just had these, that's what I'm doing. But fantastic. I'm excited to try it on the interior of my car, on details for leather, but for now, honestly, my primary use of this is probably going to be, I'm probably going to have to buy another one for cars, because I'm going to be keeping this inside my house. So thank you, Karl. Fantastic product. You guys, check it out. This guy, he's out there. He's doing a great product. I think it's fantastic. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.